shows over, so let's take it down. With a foot on the foot peg, pull the hole, and allow the banner to come down gently. Unhook the pole. Take the pole, fold it into its 3 pieces, put it in the side panel of the bag. To remove the shoe horn, simply slide it back to where you inserted it and remove. It goes in a side pocket as well. Roll up the banner, image side in from the bottom rail. The reason we do this from the bottom up, as you can see, we get to the top, the little black clip. We don't want to damage our poster. Secure it with an elastic and insert it into the bag. There you go. Zip her up. You're all packed up. Until the next trip.